Ever pondered how travel can unravel the complexities of social issues across the globe? Welcome to my journey as a digital nomad, a journey that intertwines with the intricate tapestry of the world's societies. My quest has taken me from bustling cities to serene rural landscapes, each place with its unique blend of culture, tradition, and social norms. In my travels, I've been a silent observer, witnessing firsthand the raw realities of social issues. I've seen the stark contrast of economic inequality, where opulence and poverty coexist side by side. I've observed the ongoing struggle for gender equality, where tradition and progress often collide. I've been in the midst of environmental concerns, where the battle for conservation against exploitation is a daily ordeal. Each place I've visited is a microcosm of the world, a nuanced portrait of humanity. The issues are deeply rooted, shaped by economic circumstances, cultural expectations, and political realities. They are a window into how societies function, how they've formed, and how they continue to evolve. As a digital nomad, I have had the chance to intimately understand these issues, which are as diverse as the places I have visited. Each place I visited had its unique set of social issues, shaped by its culture, economy, and political realities. In one region, the stark economic disparity was impossible to ignore, with opulence and poverty living side by side. In another, I witnessed the persistent struggle for gender equality, a battle fought with courage and resilience. Yet elsewhere I saw communities grappling with environmental challenges, their lives inextricably linked to the health of their natural surroundings. Such experiences are not mere observations. They are lessons, profound insights into the intricacies of societal structures, traditions, and the constant transformation they undergo. They reveal the ripple effect of social issues, how they impact societies and in turn are influenced by them. It's a dance of cause and effect, a symbiotic relationship that shapes the world as we know it. These experiences have given me a unique perspective on how deeply social issues are intertwined with the fabric of a society. Travel has not just broadened my horizons, but also enriched my understanding of global societies and their complexities. As I journeyed through different cultures, I realized that each society, with its unique issues and triumphs, is a tapestry woven with threads of human experiences. Economic inequality, environmental conservation, gender issues, human rights, these are not isolated problems, but interconnected challenges faced by communities worldwide. My experiences made me see that empathy is a powerful tool. It allows us to understand the heart of societal issues, not just through our eyes, but through the eyes of those living them every day. It's not enough to merely witness. We must strive to understand, to feel, to empathize. I've found that it's through these personal encounters that we can contribute to global dialogues on social justice. We can amplify the voices of those who might otherwise go unheard, shedding light on their struggles and hopes. We are all part of the global community. Our actions, no matter how small, can ripple across borders, affecting societies far beyond our own. The beauty of travel is in this revelation, the understanding of our shared humanity, our shared challenges, and our shared potential for change. Through the lens of a digital nomad, I have learned that understanding social issues is not just about observing, but about immersing oneself in the experience. So, what role does a digital nomad play in understanding and addressing social issues? Well, as digital nomads, we are more than just globetrotters. We are social explorers, immersing ourselves in diverse cultures, witnessing societal issues firsthand, and gaining unique perspectives. Our lifestyle inherently places us in a unique position to contribute to the global dialogue on social issues. We have the power of digital platforms at our fingertips, allowing us to share our experiences, observations, and insights with a global audience. This sharing does more than just narrate our travels. It spreads awareness, sparks conversations, and can even influence perspectives. Beyond sharing, we can make a difference on a more tangible level. By supporting local initiatives, buying from local businesses, or volunteering our time and skills, we contribute to the communities we visit in meaningful ways. We can become part of the solution, using our digital skills to help address the social issues we encounter. Remember, as digital nomads, we're not just passing through, we're engaging, learning and contributing. We're not just visitors, we're global citizens. As a digital nomad, I believe we have a unique opportunity and responsibility to contribute to the understanding and resolution of social issues. After all, we are not just visitors, but living our lives as a global citizen.